Hello people, welcome back again to Strange Learnings, and today this video is on a topic for some kind of methods, some kind of things which we need to focus on if we are talking about phishing on an individual. So now if we are talking about an individual victim who is who or she if we want someone to click on it, an individual, he or she is not an organization, not a company, not an institution. Okay, we are focusing on a single person. So the first thing which we need to keep in mind is uh, the subject of the email. Okay, this is the main thing which will attract the victim. So the subject of the email must be very attractive and it must not contain more than 4 to 5 words. And the reason behind this, like why we need 4 to 5 words, we can add 7 to 8 words also, we can add more words also. Yes, you can, but there is a reason. Think of you on the victim's place. If you are getting a notification of an email from any site, then you read only first 2 to 3 words and maximum you go to 5 in the notification. And also if you are having a wide angle of phone, then also you are able to read maximum about 6 words. Okay, so this is the reason we are having a 4 to 5 word relevant subject, so that even the victim doesn't opens the mail, then also he will be able to read what are we trying to send to that person. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, and if you are done with digital marketing or something like that course, then you will be feeling more relevant with this kind of topics, and you can skip this if you have done with digital marketing. Okay, you can skip some part of like till this subject. And then if we talk about the body of this email, we must add not more than 4 to 5 lines, because people won't read long and complicated things on email. According to me, as I prefer, if it's not a business mail, it's not an educational mail, or it's not a very interesting mail, I don't read it. So according to that, I will make a mail body which is not that long but very interesting with a minimum of words. Like in this video, just for explanation, I have written only 2 of words, and the subject is these dogs are too smart, or I will change smart to cute. Okay, I am not a dog lover, so I don't know they are smart or cute. Okay, these dogs are too cute. And now in the body I will add these are the most cute and trained dogs, check out this link. And I will add a malicious link right here, so that the victim clicks on the link and he visits a malicious page where it's filled with malwares and viruses, which will be got on the phone. Or either we can use Metasploit framework for payload evasions and reverse connections. Okay, we will be talking about that, how we can do so. Okay, using social engineering tool in Kali Linux. For now, I have our only purpose to understand what kind of email must we compose. Okay, so this is the kind of email we must compose for a single person if we are trying for an individual. If we are trying for a company or an institution, we will be talking about that further, because for an institution, organization, or any government organization or whatsoever, we need information gathering. We will be talking about information gathering regarding this phishing in the further videos, and this was just to explain that you need to understand how to make the email more attractive to the victim, so that he or she will click on that. Okay, so hope so you learned something from this video, and in the next video we will be talking about how complex and the attack should be, and also how simple we can make it. Okay, so stay connected and get on the next video. Thank you.